Hello, English 221 class. This is a quick video about the syllabus for English 221, which you can find in Module 0. Module 0 is a bunch of basic stuff that you read in the first semester of the course, but you might also come back to it later on when you need to review a course policy or when you need some information about office hours, things like that. So let's go straight to Syllabus 1. So I'm not going to read all this to you. English 221 fulfills transfer requirements for both advanced composition and for critical thinking. So that's why lots of people take the course. You can transfer to almost any four-year university with this course. And our goal in English 221 is to get you ready for transfer. So I'm going to let you read all that on your own. And I'm going to click Next and go to Syllabus 2. This might be the best one to really study carefully in the first week of the semester because it's a summary of the whole semester. It's kind of the short version of the whole semester. So if you scroll down in Syllabus 2, you can see that the course is divided into three parts: weeks 1 to 6, weeks 6 to 11, and weeks 11 to 16. Basically 3 5-week units. And for each unit, there's one big essay where you do a rough draft and a final draft, kind of like English 100. And there's some critical thinking curricula because this is a critical thinking course. So there's critical thinking stuff we study, there's an essay, and at the end of each unit, you'll have the final draft of the essay due, and there'll be a critical thinking quiz. So instead of having a midterm exam and a final exam, we have 3 critical thinking quizzes, one for each unit. Okay? So the weeks 1 to 6, you will write about information technology, and you are writing about yourself for this first essay. So I hope you like it. Week 6 to 11, our topic is Bullshit Goes Viral, and we will analyze social media artifacts. And then in the last unit, we will write an essay about the year 2100. So I hope you like our topics, and you can study this when you read the syllabus. Syllabus 3 is policies and grades. You certainly don't need to learn all of this in the first week of class, and some of these things you'll come back to later. So for example, you don't need the late work policy yet. I mean, you can read it, but you'll revisit Module 0 later when you need to. There's an essay rewrites policy, etc. So this is like the rules and regulations for the course. Probably the best thing to look at in the first week of the course is the grade breakdown. Every college course has one of these, as you know, and it just tells you what the big stuff is. For English 100 and English 221, which are composition courses, the essay final drafts are the biggest grades in the course instead of tests. It's not a big testing course. So essay 1 final draft 13%, essay 2 20%, essay 3 20%. We have 3 critical thinking quizzes. Each one is 6%. We have an in-class essay at the end, 10%. Notice the rough drafts are 6%, so rough drafts are required. Kind of like English 100, you have to hand in a rough draft, get feedback, etc. Okay, so that's good information to know. Then there's some of the fine print. You can read that on your own. Definitely be in touch with me if you have any questions about the syllabus. Thanks.